Hello and welcome to Two Car Pros. Today we're going to show you how to change the rear brake pads and rotor for a 1998 to 2005 Mercedes-Benz ML 500. We're going to get started by first removing the tire. Next, we're going to remove the electronic brake pad wear indicator. Next, with using a punch and a hammer, we're going to remove these two retentioning pins. Once those pins have been removed, we can use a screwdriver to wedge between the rotor and the brake pad to recess the caliper back into its housing. And then remove the brake pads. Next, we're going to remove the caliper assembly. Now we're going to remove the rotor. If the rotor's stuck on there after removing the bolt, grab a hammer and bang on it until it's loose, but be careful as the rotor can drop at any time. Next, we're going to compare our old rotor to our new one to make sure that they're identical. Once we're sure they're identical, we're going to remove all of the manufacturing grease by using some carburetor spray. Now we're going to clean the mating surfaces and replace the rotor. Now we can replace the caliper assembly and bolt it back on. Now we're going to compare our old brake pads to our new ones to make sure that they're identical. And now we're going to slide our new brake pads right on in. Now we're going to replace that retentioning plate and the retentioning pins. Also, don't forget to replace the electronic wear indicator. And finally, we're going to replace the wheel. And don't forget to bolt the wheel on using a star pattern. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please visit 2carpros.com.